Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone's surviving well. So my TRM Atom here is probably going to be my forever knife. It's always the one that I turn back to when I test out other knives for the channel here. And with that full flat ground MagnaCut blade, it's just super slicey, super sharp. The titanium liners, the titanium hardware, just everything about it is perfect. It's going to live in my pocket for a very, very long time. But I am getting kind of bored with these handles or these scales. And that's what I love about TRM, that they encourage you to customize your knives that they sell. So much so that you don't need to pull the whole knife apart to replace the scales. You just take out the two screws on this side here, and the two screws on this side plus, well, actually I think there's only one screw on this side plus the two for the titanium pocket clip there. But the knife is not going to fall apart if you do that. You just unscrew them and you put you take the scales off and you put the new ones on and you screw it back. And they encourage you so much that they actually sell you the new scales. This set right here, it's a G10 set. It comes with the screws, just in case, I imagine. They sell you this. And the best part is they are made in the United States. The scales, the knife. I'm not sure about the screws. I imagine the screws, right? But according to everything I've read, this is 100% made in the United States. And it still will be with the new set of scales. So if you haven't looked at those are the contoured lizard skin G10 scales in black. They are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to show you today how easy it is to change these out. And we're going to start off by finding what I did with my screwdriver. So this is I think a T6. T6, yep. This is T6 hardware. So first we're going to start by taking out the screws for the pocket clip. I'm going to do my best not to lose them, even though they did supply me with new ones. And so far, that's awesome. They didn't Loctite these things in, where other knife makers love to do that for you. Suppose I should have grabbed a rag to wipe down the inside, but look at it, it just pops right off. And isn't that a work of beauty right there? That is awesome. And from what I've seen on their website, you can just buy the knife itself without the scales. That's pretty awesome too. So these are the green micarta. I do like micarta, but not a lot of people like it because it does soak in all your oils from your hand, all your sweat and everything. But it helps patina the scales themselves. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a brand new knife. Take this screw. I'm going to save those new screws for later, just in case. Now, while I did purchase the scales with my own hard-earned money, I do have a discount code for TRM that they provided me. That'll get you 10% off and free shipping. That's going to be Surviving 10. And make sure you use that. I don't get anything for you using that, but it's all for you. 10% is 10%, especially on premium knives like this. I should have dug around and found somebody else's 10% off coupon, but I didn't. Isn't that gorgeous? That is absolutely, I love it. I love the fact that you can customize these. That is beautiful. Yeah, you don't even have to touch the pivot. The pivot seems to be a bit bigger than the T6. I know that's a source of contention with some, that knives need to have a single size hardware, but it doesn't bother me any. There's the other side. That is beautiful. Like I said, it's like a brand new knife. Look how easy it is, as I lose the screw. Look how easy it is to replace the scales on this. I want to thank TRM for providing me or you with that discount code. That's awesome. "100% USA made TRM Atom with brand new scales." That is beautiful. It's like a whole new knife. And those are the G10 Jet Black 3D contoured lizard skins. So we went from this to this. Absolutely lovely. So again, thank you TRM for providing us with that discount code. I want to thank you for stopping in, checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it. If you want to support this channel, the best thing you can do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below. And as always, I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.